What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph K. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Visa Gold and Gold Mastercard Credit Card Cash Advance. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba mag-cash advance sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard Credit Card ninyo, magkano yung pwede nyong ma-cash advance at saka yung fees and charges of course, yung interest rates and then yung availment fee, magkano nga ba? At saka yung iba pang kailangan yung malaman na mga details kapag balak nyo mag-avail ng BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard Credit Card Cash Advance. And of course, pag-uusapan din natin guys yung cash advance pin sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard Credit Card ninyo. Kasi kailangan na kailangan talaga yung cash advance pin na yon para makapag-cash advance kayo sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard Credit Card ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold cardholders can typically withdraw cash up to assigned percentage of their total credit limit. Often 30 to 50% subject to a bank discretion using a 4-digit cash advance PIN at ATMs. So, as you can see guys, magkano nga ba yung pwede nyong ma-avail na cash advance sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit card ninyo? It is around 30 to 50% of your assigned credit limit. So, ano nga ba yung sinasabing assigned credit limit guys? Or total credit limit? Like for example, may 100,000 kayong credit limit sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit card ninyo sa BDO. Ngayon, magkano yung 30% niyan? So it is around 30%. Kung 50% naman, 50,000. Kasi nakadepende siya guys sa ino-offer ni BDO. Nakadepende siya kung magkano yung ibibigay sa inyo na cash advance limit sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit card ninyo. Kaya naman, like for example, may 200,000 kayo, tapos yung binigay is 50% yung available cash advance limit. So, nasa 100,000 yung pwede nyong i-cash advance sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit card ninyo. Then, nakalagay dito guys is using a 4-digit cash advance PIN at ATMs. Kasi kailangan na kailangan talaga yung cash advance PIN. So, mamaya, pag-uusapan natin yung cash advance PIN. Paano nga ba kumuha nun para magkaroon kayo para anytime pwede kayo makapag-cash advance using your BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold credit card. Nakalagay dito guys is fees include 200 pesos or $3.30 per transaction. So as you can see guys, per transaction siya. Kaya naman dapat alam nyo na bawat transaction, like for example, nag-transact na kayo ng 10,000, tapos na-realize mo kulang pala, so magta-transact ka ulit. So 2 beses ka na nag-cash advance ngayon sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit card ninyo sa BDO. So on the next billing cycle, 200 pesos yung mag-reflect doon sa statement of account ninyo. Plus finance charges starting from the date of withdrawal. So yung sinasabing finance charges guys is yung interest rate ng cash advance sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold cash advance ninyo. Yung 3% na yan guys is tuloy-tuloy yan hanggat sa ma-fully paid ninyo yung kinash advance ninyo sa BDO Gold credit card ninyo. Like for example, 10,000 tulad ng sabi ko kanina. So magkano nga ba yung 3% ng 10,000? It is around 300 pesos. So yung 300 pesos na yun guys is tuloy-tuloy lang yan every month hanggat hindi nyo na fully paid yung kinash advance niyo na 10,000. Take note lang guys na kahit 100 pesos na lang yan or 50 pesos, hanggat hindi nyo talaga nabubuong bayaran yan, 300 pesos pa rin yung ipapatong sa next billing cycle. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung kabuuang amount ng kinash advance niyo yung i-charge na interest or finance charge on your every next billing cycle. Kaya naman dapat kung may pera na kayo, make sure to pay it off para matigil na yung kakabayad ninyo ng finance charge ninyo sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold credit card na kinash advance ninyo. Para hindi ganun kabigat sa bulsa. How to avail? So ngayon, paano nga ba mag-avail ng cash advance sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold? So ito yung steps, ultimate guide para makapag-avail kayo ng cash advance using your BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard. ATM. Use your 4-digit cash advance PIN at any BDO or Mastercard Visa affiliated ATM. So, nakalagay dito is yung 4-digit cash advance PIN. So, paano nga ba guys kumuha ng cash advance PIN sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard ninyo? So, ito yung kailangan nyong gawin para ma-obtain ninyo or para makuha ninyo yung cash advance PIN. kailangan yung tumawag sa official hotline number ni BDO, which is yung 02-488-490. Tapos, request kayo ng cash advance PIN para sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard ninyo. Kasi tinatawag yan guys, hindi yan kusa dumarating. Kailangan yung i-request, tapos ipapadala yan guys doon sa registered mailing address ninyo. Ganun lang kasimple. Tawag lang kayo sa BDO Customer Service sa 02-8888-0000, 488-490, then request kayo ng cash advance PIN para sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold Credit Card ninyo. Then, ipapadala yan sa registered mailing address. Yung mailing address, guys, is nung nag-apply kayo kung saan yung address ninyo. Over the counter, visit any BDO branch to withdraw cash. So, kung may malapit naman na BDO branch sa lugar ninyo, guys, pwede kayo dun mag-request ng cash advance. Sila na yung magpa-process, i-assist nila kayo. At least, mas maganda siya, guys, kung sa branch mismo kayo ni BDO, at least may makakapag-assist sa mga katanungan ninyo. If ever na may kailangan kayong malaman, masasagot nila agad. Request PIN. If you do not have a PIN, you can request one through BDO. So, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, which is yung sinasabi itong request PIN is yung cash advance PIN para makapag-cash advance kayo anytime using your BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold. So, kailangan mo tumawag guys sa customer service. Nakalagay dito is request one through BDO. So, the most convenient way guys is to call BDO Contact Center talaga to request a new one. Important details. Fees. A fee of 200 pesos or $3.30 applies per transaction. So, tulad na sabi ko kanina, bawat transaction ng cash advance ninyo sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold Credit Card ninyo sa BDO, 200 pesos yon kung sa peso account. 3.30 naman kapag dollar account yung credit card ninyo. Interest. Cash advances. And core finance charges from the date of transaction. So, yung interest kasi guys dito is diretso agad siya ipapatong on the next billing cycle. What I mean is, pagka-avail nyo ng cash advance sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold ninyo, automatic yan 3% on the next billing cycle. Kaya nakalagay dito is cash advance and core finance charges from the date of transaction. Kasi agad-agad siya magre-reflect. Kahit na bayaran mo kaagad, next billing cycle, may 3% pa rin na ipapatong. Yun nga lang, kapag na-fully paid mo na siya, hindi na kayo i-charge ulit on the next month. It's because fully paid na siya. Cash installment option. Alternatively, you can convert your credit limit into cash via BDO online app or BDO application or BDO Pay application or by calling the hotline which may offer better installment terms. So ito naman si cash installment guys is magkaiba ito sa cash advance. Kasi si cash advance is automatic makukuha niyo yung pera. Compared to cash installment option, tatawag pa kayo, mag-aantay kayo ng certain period of time para ma-process yung request ninyo or nung gusto nyo magpa-cash installment using your BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold Credit Card. Kung nagmamadali kayo sa pera, better to go for cash advance. Pero kung hindi naman, better to go for cash installment or cash it easy. Disclaimer, rates and limits are subject to change by BDO. So, paiba-iba yung limits guys nang hindi nyo alam, hindi pinapaalam sa inyo. Basta na nagbabago yung rates and fees kapag nag-avail kayo sa BDO Cash Advance and BDO Cash It Easy or Cash Installment. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!